A lot of people have been asking how to make gradient backgrounds in Photoshop. Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a simple way. It will take less than a minute. So first thing you want to do is basically go to your Photoshop and then you want to make a selection. So around the area you want to fill the with gradient, just select that area. As you can see in this photo right here, you can see that there's a color for both selection. This is your first color, then this is the end of the color. If you want us to make a selection, simply just choose the gradient tool, or you can just press G on your keyboard. Now after that, just use the options bar to customize the tool settings, like the gradient type and the opacity to get the effect that you want for the gradient. And then you want to drag the cursor across the selected area to fill it with a gradient. So there's multiple types of gradients that you can use and do in Photoshop. And this is just one of the examples where you can just drag it to a corner. But if you can see right here, these are multiple gradient backgrounds that you can add in Photoshop depending on your opacity and the effect that you've added by simply customizing in the tool settings. And that's how you can basically create a background with a gradient in Photoshop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification